Hey everyone, it's Totoro Squish or Larissa. Welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I have 3 packages for you guys. 2 are from Instagram sellers and 1 is from Charms LOL. I covered all the information, like addresses and everything. So yeah, but before we go on with the video, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe down below to be part of the Totoro family. So yeah, let's just get started with this. Is the first package. This one is from my friend Julia and I'm really excited. This has a pretty big wish list and she didn't put this up for sale, but she said it on her live, so I'm just gonna open it. A little sneak peek. Here is everything. Oh my god. So I'm just gonna open it and just show you the OP for the squishy. And here is my purchase item. Only ordered like 1 thing. And it is this lollipop girl ice candy. I've been wanting these for so long. I'm so happy I finally got my hands on them. And the rest were my extras. Okay, so she gave me this little, oh my god, this piggy bun. I play Roblox, so it's like kind of funny that she gave me this piggy bun. And then she gave me this panda bun, because if you didn't know, my old username was SquishX Pandas. It's a one with the pink bow. She gave me like this little tart squishy. I don't know which I probably should start with, but here it is. It says, "Hey Laurie / Larry, thanks for your money though. We stay in heat anyways. Dummy. Okay, bye. Enjoy your panda bun back though. Ha ha ha, Bunny or Julia, because I actually gave her this panda bun, and I guess she gave it back to me. So yeah, thank you so much, Julia, for everything." Next is this one. This one is from Charms LOL or Charms LOL official on Instagram. Also, sorry about the lighting. Wait, let me see if I can fix it. Try and fix it. I don't know if that made it better, but I don't think it made it better. But anyways, I'm just gonna open this. And this was a pre-order on some squishies or a lot of my wish. I see them. Oh my god. Okay. So first thing, it's called like Instagram Extra, where you just put on the note. And so she gives you Instagram extras. So this is the first one she gave me. This is the only thing I got. It's the poly bun. Oh my god, this is so nice. I used to have these, but these are really nice. Here's the tag. Yeah. So thank you so much for this. And then oh my god, is this my purchase item? Oh my god, I'm so happy I completed the set. This is the last one I needed, and it is the ice candy winged eye popsicle. Oh my god, I'm so happy. This is really sticky, but so happy I got this. Next thing is my invoice. It's a while back. I had to wait for a while. Oh my god. Next is my moon. I'm so happy. Oh my god, I've been looking at this forever. And when she had this, like, I had to snatch. Oh my god, I'm so happy I got the moon. Oh my god, like, so that is basically everything I got from Charms LOL. Thank you so much, Amanda. Oh my god, this is just, oh my god, I'm so happy. This is the last one. This one is from an Instagram seller. It's called Ghosteen, and I found out through her friend that she had some on my wish list that was for pre-order, so I'm really excited. Yeah, I'm just really excited. So here's everything, and I'm just gonna, oh my gosh, is there anything else? Everything. So I'm just gonna read the note first. So it says, "Hi Larissa, thank you so much for purchasing from me. Your support means the world to me, especially during these times. I hope you enjoy everything and come back soon. If you open this on camera, please tag me at that. So that's her Instagram. And use my proof hashtag rainbudproof. Take care, Bella." Oh my god, she gave me a lot of extras. So yeah, but I'll just start with the extras, I guess. Here are my little extras baggie. It comes with candy, stickers, and everything. Stuff like that. Still got this little extras, like this little gummy thing. Oh my god, this is really hard. But this little gummy. Entire set of the milk bottles. And she said she opened them and stuff, so we can just do a little, we'll do a little opening, I guess. So we're just gonna do a little opening. I'm just really excited. Okay, so this is the first one. Comes with the pamphlet. And oh my god, it's the purple Aurora milk. God, this is so nice. What you could get. So yeah, I got the full set from her. So thank you so much. And yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna put the pamphlets off to the side. So this is the next one. She did open these because she's selling them. Oh my god, next is the Millie milk bottle. This is really nice. This one, and this one is the, oh my god, it's the strawberry milk. This is so soft. It smells really, really nice. Next is this one, and I'm not sure what this one is. Oh my god, this one's like the mic pan one. This is so nice and really cute. So yeah, thank you so much. So this one's the juice boxes, and it's the last one I needed. And oh my god, it's so cute. And this one's the Nyan cat, I think, and it smells really good. Oh my god, this one's really nice, I'm pretty sure. And this one is the strawberry milk. Oh my god, this one's the rarest one. It's really hard to find because Marmo. Oh my god, these are so nice. So yeah, and that is basically everything I got in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below to be part of the family. I will make more videos in the future. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!